You want to hear something funny? I forgot I had bid on this toolbox too on eBay and I won it. So, now I have two. I get to decide which one to use. Maybe I just put them side by side. But this is a similar toolbox. It has a, the handle. The thing about this one is it has this heavy duty latch on it. So if you had to carry this thing around, look at that. Then this just comes off and it's all drawers all the way across. Look at that. That is cool. I noticed these upper drawers didn't have stops on them. What is this? Oh no, there's actually a little, holy cow. There's like a drawer for old papers or something. I guess they're little tiny stuff, files. Or let's see if I can get this out. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Ooh, look at that. That's what I was curious about. This is a leather handle, and this junction right here can't be perfect. But look at this. This thing's built like a tank. You could definitely take this thing with that heavy duty latch and these handles. You could fill this thing up with tools and take it with you easily.